Story Nest.
Finn the frog, a small green amphibian with wide, curious eyes, propelled himself through the clear turquoise water with strong kicks of his webbed feet. Beside him swam Daisy, a sleek dolphin with a friendly smile and intelligent gaze, her gray skin shimmering under the sunlight filtering from above. They were embarking on an adventure to explore the legendary Rainbow Reef, a place whispered to be teeming with the most vibrant corals and playful fish in the entire ocean. As they ventured deeper, the sunlight danced on the sandy bottom, and strange, wonderful plants swayed gently in the current. Suddenly, a school of tiny silver fish darted past in a shimmering wave, their scales catching the light. Finn, amazed, tried to catch one with his long tongue, but they were too quick for him, much to Daisy's amusement. Rounding a large, brain-shaped coral, they gasped in unison. Before them lay the Rainbow Reef in all its glory. Towering formations of coral in every imaginable shade, fiery reds, sunny yellows, electric blues, and soft pinks, created a breathtaking underwater cityscape. Fish of all shapes and sizes, adorned with dazzling patterns, flitted in and out of the coral branches, creating a living kaleidoscope of color. A school of angelfish, their bodies striped with bold black and white, gracefully glided past. A parrotfish with bright blue and green scales nibbled on the coral, while a shy clownfish peeked out from the swaying tentacles of a sea anemone. Finn watched in wonder as a tiny seahorse, camouflaged against a piece of coral, slowly drifted by. Daisy chuckled and pointed her snout towards a group of pufferfish that were inflating themselves into round, spiky balls. As the sun began to dip towards the horizon, casting long shadows across the reef, Finn and Daisy knew it was time to head back. They swam side by side, their hearts full of the amazing sights they had seen. The Rainbow Reef was truly a magical place, and they promised each other that this would not be their last underwater adventure together.